probably gave him one. I got two more. I'm in the building. I have to dig them out, but I know it's kind of.
Actually had a goal. And I said, Aaron, you know, the bombs were right.
All right, come on down and get these. Chinese Ocean tickets, 25 tickets for $5.
Ain't much changed on that.
Also want to mention Ghost Rider motorcycle eyewear. They've got so much more up at your Blue Town. It's just a few steps south of the fire department. You'll see it right along Main Street where there's a Corvette there. They've got Hot Wheels. So all you guys and gals, you got kids, grandkids, I see a bunch of youngins walking around here. Please go see Ghost Rider. They've got Hot Wheels, they've got die casts, they've got eyewear, they've got a whole bunch of stuff. And stop up there and see those folks. Great folks up at Ghost Rider. Also, we've got a model train set down here. And I think these folks are down here from the restoration of the train depot here in Middletown. So stop and see these guys down here beside the DJ stand at the white tent with the model display, and they'll tell you what it's all about. And also come down and bid on this $490 Still Weed Eater at the silent auction, or some of these autographed. If you're a Kansas City Chiefs fan, if you're a Washington Commanders, Pittsburgh Steelers, I believe Green Bay Packers, there's signed autographed pictures from players from all of those teams here on the silent auction. If you purchased green tickets, and I know you folks up on the far end cannot hear me, so if you good car folks would pass the word along, if you purchased tickets for the Chinese auction, the green tickets, please be starting to make your way down here to the DJ area, as we'll give this away in just a few minutes. About 10 minutes we'll give this away, and it'll go a lot faster if you are down here. We got a lot of items to give away, and I know you would rather hear music than me chatter, so please come on down. Also, before we do this Chinese auction, I am selling tickets here for the 50-50. We have over $700 into 50-50. They are $1 each, 6 for 5, 13 for 10, 28 for 20. So you folks right here buying these Chinese auctions, step over and see me and get some 50-50.
So the tube, there's a two-door tax, is what we call it, and that's like
Mommy, can you buy these for us?
your choice. Wow, I can't imagine being teaching. Yeah. Yeah, this one's front-wheel drive, isn't it?
Yes, sir. I had a 72 Eldorado even back in the 60s when they started making them in the late 60s.
429 total, but yes, that's